Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have a fascinating topic to discuss the incredible effects of eating cardamom every day on your body. Now let's get started. To many of us, cardamom is that aromatic spice we add to our chai or use in various dishes. But did you know that incorporating cardamom into your daily routine can have some surprising health benefits? Let's explore what happens to your body when you eat cardamom every day. Firstly, let's take a quick look at the nutritional profile of cardamom. Cardamom is rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These elements play a crucial role in supporting various bodily functions, from immune health to bone strength. One of the most well-known benefits of cardamom is its positive impact on digestive health. Cardamom contains compounds that can help alleviate digestive issues, such as indigestion, bloating, and gas. It promotes the secretion of enzymes that aid in digestion, making it a great addition to your post-meal routine. Cardamom has been linked to an increase in metabolism. This means that regularly consuming cardamom may help your body burn calories more efficiently. While it's not a magic weight loss solution, it can certainly contribute to a healthier metabolism when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Surprisingly, cardamom is also beneficial for oral health. It has natural antimicrobial properties that can help combat bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of bad breath and other oral issues. Chewing on cardamom seeds can be a refreshing way to promote dental hygiene. Cardamom contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease and arthritis. By incorporating cardamom into your daily diet, you may help reduce inflammation in your body and support overall health. Another interesting benefit of cardamom is its potential to reduce stress and anxiety. The aroma of cardamom has been associated with calming effects on the nervous system. Consider incorporating cardamom into your evening routine, perhaps in a warm cup of tea to promote relaxation and better sleep. So there you have it, the incredible things that can happen to your body when you eat cardamom every day. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.